He actually had a really good heart. Like he learned to forgive people even when they done him the worst.
This is real life.
Yeah.
I love this, yeah.
Yeah.
Because one person can do everything.
Speechless,
Yes.
completely speechless, and definitely the name of Regardless is it's gonna, market all over around the world. That's 100% written here already.
After this movie, so much.
Okay.
My feeling is I can't say, I can't complete my word.
Oh my God, it's really.
Oh
Oh,
my
my God. It was wonderful. It was an inspiration for everybody, not only for networkers, for people who would like to achieve something in life. They have to see this movie.
We are working with him now on. It started with Safir, as of you all know, and yes, I'm enjoying it a lot. I learned a lesson for me. It's definitely game-changing for me.
This film gave me a lot of emotional attachment. You know why? Because sometimes we think we feel hard and life is hard. You know, that guy life is very hard.
It's a really good emotional film, very grounded, and I think it gives a very good view in the life of Ilhan.
I can tell you one thing, every person must inspire from this movie because this is actual how to fight in life and never give up. These two lessons which this movie gives to everyone, it just touches my heart.
Network marketing is the best Jenik and Safir. I will try best. I will try to. Okay, you do that.
Relation between the mother and son. This is very fantastic, and struggle of network marketing procedure. So nice, so nice. That's why I like this movie.
It gives a very good reputation about this industry, and also for the people who are struggling, who wants to give up, that they have the courage to be strong and to fight and to move forward.
I cry like a baby. Please don't give up. People, don't give up when it's hard.
You have to see the movie.